Sometimes, it's hard to accept the truth when you've invested your heart in someone. But there are clear signs that reveal if he never truly cared for you. Understanding these signs can help you move on and find the love you deserve. Here are 8 signs that show he never cared for you. He never made you a priority. No matter how much time you spent together, you were always an afterthought in his life. If he constantly put his own needs, friends, or other activities ahead of you, it's a clear indication that you were never a priority. He didn't put effort into the relationship. When someone cares, they make an effort to maintain and grow the relationship. If he always left you doing all the work, emotionally, mentally, or physically, it shows he wasn't invested in making things work. He dismissed your feelings. A person who truly cares will always acknowledge and respect your emotions. If he often belittled your feelings, ignored your concerns, or made you feel like your emotions didn't matter, it's a sign he never really cared. He only contacted you when it was convenient for him. If he only reached out when it suited his schedule, and you found yourself waiting for him to care, it's a strong sign that he wasn't truly invested in your well-being. He avoided deep conversations. When someone cares for you, they want to know you on a deeper level, your dreams, fears, and hopes. If he consistently avoided meaningful conversations and kept things surface level, it shows he wasn't interested in building a real connection. He never supported you. True care means being there for someone in both good times and bad. If he was never around when you needed emotional support or ignored your achievements, it's a sign that your happiness and struggles didn't matter to him. He didn't include you in his life. Someone who cares will naturally include you in their world, introducing you to friends, family, and future plans. If he kept you at a distance or never made you a part of his life, it shows a lack of true care. He never apologized sincerely. Apologies are a key part of any relationship. If he hurt you but never took responsibility or gave insincere apologies, it's a sign that he didn't value your feelings enough to make things right. Realizing someone never cared for you is painful, but it's also a step toward healing and finding the love you deserve. Don't settle for less than your worth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship insights and advice.